Hi, Gina Chevallier, your South Florida estate planning and trust attorney. And today I'd like to talk to you about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, estate planning for entrepreneurs and closely held businesses. Why? Because I'm one myself. And oftentimes I deal with people who have built up their own business. They may be a professional and they're trying to figure out a way to pass their business along to their family. Most people think of estate planning attorneys for preparation of a will or a trust, probate avoidance, estate tax avoidance. But the reality is, if you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur, business succession planning must be part of that conversation. So your interest in your business under Florida law is considered personal property, and it can have some very unintentional consequences. It can be used to satisfy creditors. It could end up in hands of individuals that you don't want. For example, I'm going to give you a little story. I had a case where this man built up his business from one truck. He ended up with a multi-million-dollar business. His sons came in. Everybody was working in the business. In the span of a few years, he died, his wife died, and one of his sons died. What ended up happening, unintentionally for him, was that 50% of the control of his business ended up in the hands of his daughter-in-law, who he didn't like, by the way. Now, is this an extreme example? Yes, you can argue that. But in my line of work, I see this all the time. And this is something that can be avoided with proper planning. Now, I understand that you're busy handling your clients, handling your employees, handling your business, as am I. But if you neglect to plan for the proper succession of your business, you are setting up your beneficiaries and your heirs for disaster. Contact us when you're ready, and we will sit down and talk about your business. What makes it work? Where do you see it in 10 years? Where do you see it in 50 years? Who do you want to take over your business and continue your legacy?